in the comments. Phoenix, Arizona. These days, even thieves know cameras are everywhere. That's why they try to hide their faces while stealing. But don't worry, lady. One day, karma's gonna catch up with you. Apache Junction, Arizona. Here's another doorknob wiggler. And yep, she even checks under the doormat for a key. So take this as a reminder, never hide your key under the doormat. Denver, Colorado. These two thieves came to rob a truck. And yep, one even brought a lock cutter.